So let's discuss the question answers of this topic, life in deserts. So first we will discuss these MCQs. So first MCQ is the Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Hanji Harshia?
I'm northern.
Yes, so it is located in northern part of Africa. Now the next type is Sahara is what type of desert it is? Hanji Bhavesh?
Ma'am, Buddhist and Muslims.
I have asked beta, Sahara is what type of desert? It is?
Hot desert. Hot.
Yes, it is hot desert. Okay. So now the next desert, Ladakh desert, it is mainly inhabited by Christian Muslims, Buddhist or Muslims, or Christians and Buddhist. Hanji Akriti?
Ma'am, Buddhist and Muslims.
Yes. So it is mainly inhabited by Buddhist and Muslims. So now the deserts, they are characterized by scanty vegetation, heavily precipitation, or low evaporation. So which one is the correct? Hanji Ayushi?
Ma'am, A, scanty vegetation.
Yes, so deserts, they are characterized with scanty vegetation. ठीक है, so heavy precipitation नहीं होती वहां पे, low evaporation भी नहीं है, vegetation चाहे वो hot desert है चाहे वो cold desert है, तो in both type of deserts there the vegetation is scarce. ठीक है, okay. So next, Hemis in Ladakh, it is a famous 1 minute beta. हाँ जी, so Hemis in Ladakh, it is a famous. हाँ जी भव्या?
Ma'am, it is a famous monastery.
Yes, it is a famous monastery. So next, the Egypt, it is famous for growing. हाँ जी, for what it is famous? Egypt.
Cotton.
Yes, it is famous for growing cotton. ठीक है, जैसे हमने किया था कि इजिप्शियन कॉटन इज वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस है ना. Then there are many monasteries in Ladakh and it is one of the name of the monastery. So then comes the matching. So words are given oasis, bidons, oil, gangry and Lamairu. और इनको हमने मैचिंग करना है लीबिया, मोनेस्ट्री, ग्लेशियर, डिप्रेशंस विद वाटर, कोल्ड डेजर्ट और सहारा. ठीक है, सो नाउ फर्स्ट ओएसिस. हाँ जी, ओएसिस इट विल कौन सा वर्ड ज्यादा सुटेबल है इसके लिए?
Depressions with water.
Yes, so here the depressions with water. Okay, so first यहाँ पे आ गया डिप्रेशंस विद वाटर. सो नेक्स्ट बिडोन्स, इसका हाँ जी आंसर दो बेटा आप. यस ऋषिता एंड हरजीत, योर वीडियो इज नॉट ऑन बेटा. हाँ जी, ओके हरजीत, हाँ जी बोलो. सो सेकेंड बिडोन्स का क्या आएगा? ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं. हाँ जी आप बता दो. यस हर्षिया आप बता दो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sahara.
So bidons, they are the community that is found in Sahara desert, है ना. The bidons and Turegs, these are two community mostly they found in Sahara. So next is the oil. So oil is related with, हाँ जी आकृति,
Ma'am, A part is Libya.
yes, because after the discovery of oil, है ना, डिस्कवरी ऑयल की होने के बाद इज लीबिया, इजिप्ट, है ना, so these countries, Algeria, they have quite developed after the discovery of oil, so that is why. Then the fourth, Gangrene, it is, हाँ जी भव्या,
Glacier.
yes, it is a type of glacier. It is the name of glacier that is found in Ladakh desert. And then the next is Lamairu. What is it? Hanji Bhavesh.
Monastery.
Yes, it is a type of monastery. है ना? So there are many monasteries found in Ladakh. That Hemis, it is also one of the monastery. That's Lamairu, it is also one of the monastery. So now, after these MCQs, so let's discuss about the question answers. तो क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्टली, what are the two type of desert which are found in the world? ठीक है, हाँ जी आकृति.
Ma'am, hot desert and the cold desert.
Yes, so two type of desert which are found, they are hot and cold, and then you can give the example such as for
Hot desert such as Sahara desert and cold desert is Ladakh.
Yes, so for example, hot desert Sahara and cold desert Ladakh. Okay, so next, in which continent is Sahara desert located? Hanji Harjeet.
Yes, ma'am. Located in Africa. Sahara Desert is located in Africa.
Yes, so in African continent, Sahara desert is located. Then comes the next question. What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh desert? Hanji Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. The climate is extremely cold and dry. The air is at this altitude. The air at this altitude is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt. The day temperatures in summer are just below 0 degree. The night temperatures are below -30 degree. There are freezing cold and wind. There are freezing cold in the night during the night, and the winds are very cold here.
Yes, so लद्दाख की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस में हम क्या बताएंगे? फर्स्ट तो यहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है? इट इज एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे लद्दाख की पूछी गई है, सहारा डेजर्ट की अलग से पूछी जा सकती हैं आपको क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. ठीक है, तो एक तो सबसे पहले एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड है, फिर आप यहाँ की एयर के बारे में बता सकते हैं कि एयर इज क्वाइट थिन हियर. The heat intensity of heat that sun heat that can be felt intensely, है ना. फिर टेम्परेचर की बात यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो, that daytime temperature it is below 0 degree or just above 0 degree, and then at night the temperature goes down to -30 degree, and in winter -40 degree Celsius. That you can also explain. And then you can also explain about the rainfall. It is very less here, है ना. Rainfall is very less. It is just 10 centimeter every year. And this area, और यहाँ पे आप जैसे यहाँ पे आपने एयर की बात की, तो यहीं पे आप बता सकते हो कि here you can experience freezing winds and burning hot light at the same time, है ना. तो वो भी आप इसके साथ एग्जाम्पल एक बता सकते हो. So these are the climatic conditions of Ladakh. So then what mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? Hanji, yes Akriti, what mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh?
Tourism is a major activity as plenty of tourists from India and other countries every year. One of the main attraction are the Buddhist monasteries and Gompas. Tourists also enjoy trekking to see the meadows and glacier and witnessing the important ceremonies and the festival of Ladakh.
Yes, so tourism, it is also the major activity. Many tourists visit here from within India and as well as from abroad, and they visit here to visit, and they come here to visit Gompas or treks, or to see here the natural beauty here, to meadows and the glaciers, and they also come here to witness various ceremonies or celebrations of the different festivals, or which are the important activities of this area. Okay, so these are the reasons that tourists, they attract to Ladakh. Then in what type of clothes do the people of Sahara wear? What type of clothes do they wear? Anji Harjeet?
Yes, ma'am. People in Sahara Desert wear long woolen robes along with heavy soled shoes. They also wear turbans on their heads.
Yes, so they wear long heavy robes. ठीक है, otherwise आपकी बुक में नहीं लिखा कि they wear turbans on their heads, है ना? So you can explain, यही भी अगर आप explain करोगे तो ये भी ठीक होगा that they wear heavy robes. ठीक है, and आपसे सिर्फ अगर 1 marks का क्वेश्चन है और इसी में से आगे ये क्वेश्चन भी आ जाएगा कि that why they wear heavy robes, है ना? अभी तो ये पूछा गया कि what type of clothes they wear, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये भी है कि why they wear heavy robes. तो अभी why हम नेक्स्ट डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So next is the name the trees that grow in Ladakh region. हाँ जी भावेश.
The trees that grow in Ladakh are willows, apples, apricots, walnuts.
Yes, so different type of trees they are grown here. Willows, poplars, you can then fruit trees such as apple, apricots, walnut, etc. ठीक है, and अब इसके बाद reasons के questions हैं कि there is scanty vegetation in the desert. Why? है ना, कि desert areas में क्या होती है, scanty vegetation होती है, इसका reason क्या है? अब डेजर्ट यहाँ पे ये नहीं बताया कि हॉट डेजर्ट है या कोल्ड डेजर्ट है, बस इतना ही पूछा है कि वेजिटेशन क्या है वो कम होती है डेजर्ट एरियाज में, क्यों? यस, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट आल्सो रेज योर हैंड बेटा. हाँ जी. यस बानी, कीप योर वीडियो ऑन. And Ayushi also. Hanji Ayushi.
Yes, ma'am. A desert is an area characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperature. These climatic conditions are not suitable for the growth of plants. This is why there is scanty vegetation in the deserts.
Yes, so vegetation scanty क्यों होती है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कैसा होता है, एक्सट्रीम, है ना? एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर होता है, या एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड होगी such as in Ladakh, or extreme hot, they will extremely hot such as in Sahara, है ना? So in both type of extreme climate they are not suitable. दोनों ही तरह के क्लाइमेट सुटेबल नहीं है फॉर दिस वेजिटेशन, है ना? इस वेजिटेशन के लिए सुटेबल नहीं है both these extreme time of climate. So that is why there is scanty vegetation, and furthermore there is also very low rainfall. तो इन डेजर्ट एरियाज में बहुत कम रेनफॉल होती है, ठीक है? So this is also one of the reason that the vegetation is less. So these points you can explain. और उसके बाद next question है, the people of Sahara Desert they wear heavy robes. Why? है ना? So पहले पूछा गया था कि what type of clothes they wear. So अब वो बोल रहे हैं कि हैवी रॉब्स वेयर करते हैं, वाई? ठीक है, अब इसका रीजन क्या है? हाँ जी, वाई दे वेयर हैवी रॉब्स? हाँ जी भावेश।
People of Sahara Desert wear heavy robes to protect themselves from dust storms and hot winds.
Yes, so आपकी बुक में वैसे एक ही लाइन दी हुई है कि they wear these heavy robes to protect themselves, and these heavy robes you can also add कि they wear heavy robes. These are a long garment that reaching their ankles, है ना? ये आप लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो. It is a long garment reaching the ankles, and this garment they use to protect themselves from the dust storms. ठीक है, एक dust storms हो गया और दूसरा to protect themselves from hot winds, और अपने आप को hot wind से protect करने के लिए they wear such heavy robes. ठीक है, so पहले आप points में लिख दो इस तरह के छोटे से points बना के, and then in sentences you can explain to make your question. ठीक है, अपना आंसर बनाने के लिए पहले आप इनको इस तरह पॉइंट्स में लिखोगे, फिर सेंटेंसेस में. ठीक है, अपनी नोटबुक्स पे भी आपने ऐसे करना, so that I can come to know that how will you elaborate it. So now the question answers are complete. ठीक है, so these questions you will also complete on your notebooks. If there is any doubt from these question answers or this topic, ठीक है, ओके, तो अब बैक एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस तो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए, सो वी विल डिस्कस सम अदर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट टेल मी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डेजर्ट? हाँ जी, अदर स्टूडेंट आल्सो रेज योर हैंड, कीप योर वीडियो ऑन बेटा. ओके हर्षिया, हाँ जी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डेजर्ट?
Desert is an area which is covered with loose sand and it has very hot and dry climate and rainfall here is very less.
ओके,
And
so
vegetation is
तो डेजर्ट का हम डेफिनेशन कैसे बताएंगे? इट इज एन एरिया वेयर देयर इज एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर, मे बी हाई और लो, there is very less vegetation, there is very less rainfall, and very less people they are also living here. ठीक है, they have very less people inhabit these lands, so that you can also add. हाँ जी वानी, फिर अब आप बताओ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ सहारा डेजर्ट. एक क्वेश्चन हमारी बैक एक्सरसाइज में था क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ लद्दाख. ठीक है, सो नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन अबाउट द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ सहारा डेजर्ट. हाँ जी बोलो.
Sahara Desert is a hot desert which is situated in northern Northern America. The temperature here is extreme temperature, and temperature during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks. The night may be with freezing cold, with temperatures nearing 0 degrees.
Yes, तो अब क्लाइमेटिक में जैसे यहाँ पे हमने लद्दाख में कोल्ड बताया था, यहाँ पे हम हॉट बता देंगे, है ना. फिर वहाँ का टेम्परेचर, रेनफॉल वो बता देंगे, टेम्परेचर ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, नाइट टाइम, तो वो डिपेंड्स कर वो बता देंगे. ठीक है, सो यहाँ इन विच पार्ट इट इज लोकेटेड? नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट. ठीक है, सो इट इज रेनी सीजन कैसा है? शॉर्ट है. ठीक है, और यहाँ का टेम्परेचर कैसा है? टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, नियर 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. और आप एग्जांपल बता सकते हो कि द हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्डेड हियर एट द अल अजीजिया 57.7 डिग्री सेल्सियस, है ना, ये आप बता सकते हो. देन द नाइट्स दे आर फ्रीजिंगली कोल्ड विद टेम्परेचर नियर 0 डिग्री. दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स यू कैन टेल. अब इसके बाद आपको ये क्वेश्चन भी हो सकता है दैट हाउ ओएसिस आर फॉर्म्ड. ठीक है, how oases are formed. What will be the answer of this question? हाँ जी भव्या.
Yes, ma'am. Depressions are formed when the wind blows away the sand in the depressions where the underground water reaches the surface and oasis is formed.
Yes. So इसमें हम पहले क्या बताएंगे कि when wind blows here, then it when wind blows away the sand, then depressions are formed, and where the depression is formed, then the underground water that comes to the surface, and there the oasis is formed. ठीक है? So this is how oasis is formed. अब इसके बाद one question can be asked from the about people of Sahara. What do you know about the people of Sahara, or what do you know about the people of Ladakh, or what type of activities, ठीक है, the Sahara people they adopt, or what occupations they adopt, or what occupations, what type of jobs या work they do. ठीक है? तो अगर हम बात करें the people of Sahara Desert, what type of work they do, so which point you will explain in this question? Or what do you know about the people? फिर तो उनके बारे में सारी डिटेल आ जाएगी, है ना, about their clothes also. But if this thing is asked only about their work, then हाँ जी हर्षिया.
Yes, ma'am. The Sahara Desert has very harsh climate, and people are inhabited by that. And there are many groups of people, Bedouins and Tuargas. They are the nomadic tribes. They rear animals such as goats, sheep, camel, and horses. The animals provide them milk and hides from which they make leather for belts, slippers, water bottle, and the hair of the animals is used for mat, carpet, cloth, and blanket.
Yes. So or what type of work they do? Animal rearing तो करते ही हैं, है ना? They rear animals. और क्या काम करते हैं? Rearing animals, और उन animals से जो produce होता है उससे वो कई चीजें बना लेते हैं, है ना? Then they produce different type of crops. Crops they also grow, है ना? Different type of crops. If they are
Like rice.
river valleys they are living, so there they grow different type of crops such as rice, wheat, barley, beans, है ना? और इससे इसी में cotton, Egyptian cotton, that is also world famous. तो वो सारी crops भी grow करते हैं. Then what type of other activity they do? और कौन सा काम करते हैं? हाँ जी. Yes, anyone else? एनिमल रेयरिंग हो गया, क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेशन हो गया, ठीक है, और हाँ जी, यस आकृति, हाँ जी बेटा.
No.
हाँ जी, which point you will add? Mining is also done at different places, है ना? So they work in different mines, है ना? वहां पे भी वो jobs करते हैं, और jobs in different oil and gas operations, तो वहां पर भी वो different jobs करते हैं. तो एनिमल रेयरिंग हो गया, क्रॉप्स हो गया, तो ये भी तो सहारा के पीपल ही है ना, कि अभी चाहे उनकी डेवलपमेंट हो रही है बट दे आर द पीपल ऑफ सहारा, है ना? तो यहाँ पे वो सारी क्या कर रही है, उनकी डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, ठीक है? तो ये पॉइंट्स भी आप इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो कि दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग जॉब्स इन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ माइनिंग एंड इन ऑयल एंड गैस ऑपरेशंस ऑल्सो, है ना? तो यहाँ पे भी वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ जॉब्स कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ यू आर आस्क्ड अबाउट द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख डेजर्ट, ठीक है, और व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क दे डू, देन हाँ जी. और यहाँ पे एक और था कि दे आल्सो वर्क एज अ टूरिस्ट गाइड, है ना? दीज यहाँ पे एज अ टूरिस्ट गाइड भी वर्क करते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटी दे टेक प्लेस. ठीक है, हाँ जी, एनी अदर? अब बात करते हैं हम द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख डेजर्ट. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क लद्दाख पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख डू? हाँ जी भव्या. हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am. People of Ladakh are busy in cultivating barley, potatoes, beans, peas, beans, and turnip. The people keep themselves engaged in festivals and ceremonies. The women here are very hardworking. They not only do work in the house, but also they manage small business and shops.
Yes. So they also grow different type of crops. They in summer season, in winter season, they are busy in different type of ceremonies, है ना, and different festival celebrations. And they also do small business. The women are also engaged in this business. And there is one also major activity, tourism. है ना? So tourism is also one of the major activities. They also work as a tourist guide. So these all are the various activities that the people of this Ladakh desert, they do. So then next question, what do you mean by the term Ladakh? The meaning of the term Ladakh. Hanji beta. Yes. Hanji Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ladakh is made up of two words. La means mountain pass and Dak means country.
Yes. So दो वर्ड से मिलके बना है लद्दाख. ला माउंटेन पास. माउंटेन पास हमें पता है कौन सा होता है, और वो माउंटेन पास के जो मतलब जो रास्ते से आगे जो कंट्री है, दैट इज लद्दाख. Okay, so this is the word to word meaning. So which is the coldest inhabited place on earth? Which is the coldest inhabited place on earth? Hanchi Akriti.
Ma'am, Dras is the one of the coldest inhabited place on the earth, located in the Ladakh.
Yes, Dras, and it is located in Ladakh. Okay, so now you will read the chapter thoroughly. If there are many more questions, can be. Okay, and if there will be any doubt, then we will discuss in class. Okay, then. Thank you, Vita.